Planning your next trip to Rome, Italy? Well, prepare to be swept off your feet by the allure of a city that effortlessly combines the past and the present, the historic and the contemporary. Welcome to Rome, the Eternal City, a place where every corner whispers tales of a civilization that shaped the world. This is the ultimate travel guide to Rome, a city that is more than just a destination. It's a journey through time. Rome is a veritable treasure trove of history, with its ancient ruins standing tall amidst modern cityscapes. Imagine walking in the footsteps of gladiators at the Colosseum, or exploring the grandeur of the Roman Forum, where the echoes of the past still resonate. But Rome isn't just about history. It's a vibrant, pulsating city that embraces its past while looking firmly towards the future. Its culture is as rich and varied as its history, with a colorful tapestry of arts, music, and tradition that will leave you spellbound. The city's lively piazzas are the heartbeat of Roman life, filled with the chatter of locals, the strumming of street musicians, and the aroma of freshly made espresso wafting from nearby cafes. And then there's the food. Oh, the food! Rome's cuisine is a gastronomic delight that will tantalize your taste buds. From the hearty pasta dishes to the delectable gelato, every meal in Rome is a culinary adventure. But what makes Rome truly special is the spirit of la dolce vita, the sweet life. It's a city that encourages you to slow down, to savor each moment, to immerse yourself in the joy of living. Whether it's watching the sunset over the Tiber River, tossing a coin into the Trevi fountain, or simply wandering through the city's charming cobblestone streets, Rome invites you to embrace the sweet life in all its glory. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on an unforgettable Roman adventure. First stop, the heart of Rome itself. Our journey begins at the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built and a defining symbol of Rome's grandeur. This colossal structure, constructed over 2,000 years ago, once hosted gladiatorial combats, wild animal hunts, and even mock naval battles for the Roman populace. Its imposing architecture and compelling history captivate millions of visitors every year, making it a must-see on any Roman itinerary. Moving on, we come to the Roman Forum, the bustling epicenter of ancient Rome. This sprawling plaza was the site of triumphant processions, public speeches, criminal trials, and commercial affairs. Today, the crumbling ruins stand as silent witnesses to the once vibrant life of the city. Walking through the Forum is like stepping back in time, as you find yourself surrounded by the remnants of grand temples, stately government buildings, and ornate public spaces. Next, we venture to the Pantheon, a marvel of ancient engineering and one of the best preserved structures from the Roman Empire. Once a temple dedicated to all gods, this architectural masterpiece is now a church. Its most striking feature is the dome, crowned with a central opening or oculus that bathes the interior in a soft, ethereal light. As you stand beneath the dome, you can't help but feel a connection to the countless individuals who have marveled at this site over the centuries. Each of these landmarks bears the imprint of Rome's rich history, from the rise and fall of the Roman Empire to the spread of Christianity. They reveal tales of emperors and gladiators, of gods and men, of conquests and defeats. The stones whisper stories of grand spectacles and humble everyday life, of political intrigue and religious devotion. So, as you stand before these iconic sites, take a moment to listen. Take a moment to imagine the echoes of ancient cheers in the Colosseum, the buzz of the market in the Forum, the solemn rituals in the Pantheon. Take a moment to appreciate the layers of history that have shaped this city, this eternal city, into what it is today. These sites are not just landmarks, they're a testament to Rome's glorious past. Hungry for more? Well, you're in luck. Picture this, a city where every corner you turn, there's a mouth-watering aroma wafting from a bustling pizzeria, a quaint trattoria, or a family-run gelateria. This, my friends, is Rome, a city that doesn't just serve food, it celebrates it. Let's start with the quintessential Italian dish, pizza. And not just any pizza, but the thin, crispy Roman-style pizza. Head over to Pizzarium Bonci, where the maestro pizzaiolo himself, Gabriele Bonci, crafts a symphony of flavors on each slice. From classic margherita to unique seasonal toppings, every bite is a revelation. Next, let's talk pasta. When in Rome, you must try cacio e pepe, a simple yet divine concoction of pecorino romano cheese and black pepper. Trattoria da Enzo serves one of the best in the city, with every plate promising a creamy, peppery delight. But Rome isn't just about pizza and pasta. Venture into the bustling markets like Campo dei Fiori, where you can find a kaleidoscope of fresh produce, cheeses, and cured meats. Don't forget to try supply, a popular Roman street food, which is essentially a fried rice ball stuffed with mozzarella and ragu. Now, no Roman feast is complete without a scoop or two of gelato, and Gelateria dei Gracchi is the place to be. With an array of flavors made from organic ingredients, their gelato is a creamy dream. What's more, the food culture in Rome goes beyond just eating. It's about gathering, sharing, and savoring. It's about long, leisurely meals that stretch into hours, accompanied by lively conversations and hearty laughs. It's about the magic that happens when food, people, and culture come together. So, when you're in Rome, don't just eat. Experience, explore, embrace the city's food culture, its flavors, its traditions. Try that unknown dish. Venture into that bustling market. Sit down at that family-run trattoria. Because food here isn't just about sustenance, it's about connection, celebration, and love. Remember, in Rome, every meal is a celebration. But Rome isn't just about sightseeing and food. No, it extends far beyond that, offering a myriad of experiences that allow you to truly immerse yourself in the Roman way of life. Imagine zooming through the cobbled streets of Rome on a classic Vespa. The wind in your hair, the cityscape blurring past, the exhilarating rush of freedom. It's not just a tour, it's an adventure. A Vespa tour of Rome isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing the city in a uniquely Italian way. You'll weave through traffic, discover hidden corners of the city, and feel like a true Roman for a day. But the Roman experience doesn't stop there. Let's bring out the foodie within you with an authentic Italian cooking class. Here you'll get the chance to learn how to craft traditional Italian dishes from scratch. From kneading the perfect pizza dough to simmering the most flavorful tomato sauce, you'll be guided by local chefs who have honed their skills over generations. And the best part? You get to savor your culinary creations at the end of the class. It's not just a meal, it's a story of tradition and love for food, a story that you get to be a part of. Now let's take a stroll to the local markets. Here, amidst the hustle and bustle, you'll find the heart of Roman life. The markets are a sensory overload of vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the lively chatter of vendors and shoppers. It's not just a shopping trip, it's a cultural immersion. You'll get to experience the local way of life, interact with the friendly locals, and maybe even pick up a few Italian phrases along the way. These experiences, these moments, they offer a glimpse into the soul of Rome. They allow you to not just visit Rome, but to live it, breathe it, and become a part of it. So go ahead, dive into the Roman way of life. But alas, all good things must come to an end. And so, we find ourselves at the terminus of our Roman journey, a grand tour that has taken us through the heart of the eternal city. We've marveled at the architectural marvels, indulged in culinary delights, and immersed ourselves in experiences that go beyond the typical sightseeing. Let's take a moment to revisit the landmarks that have left us in awe. The iconic Colosseum, an enduring symbol of Rome's ancient grandeur. The Pantheon, a masterpiece of engineering and elegance. The Vatican City, with its breathtaking Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica. And the romantic Spanish Steps, a perfect spot for people watching and soaking in the city's vibrant atmosphere. Our taste buds have been on an adventure too, savoring the flavors of Rome's culinary landscape. From the crispy, thin-crust Roman pizza to the rich, creamy gelato, each bite was a revelation. We've sipped on robust Italian coffee at quaint cafes and indulged in hearty pasta dishes at family-run trattorias. And let's not forget the experiences that made this journey truly unique. We've navigated the bustling markets of Campo dei Fiori, where the local culture truly comes alive. We've strolled through the charming Trastevere neighborhood with its cobblestone streets and vibrant street art. We've even stepped back in time, exploring the ancient ruins of the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. We've seen and done so much, yet there's always more to discover in Rome. It's a city that keeps on giving, revealing new layers with every visit. The delightful surprises tucked away in its winding streets, the hidden gems waiting to be unearthed, the stories whispered by its ancient stones. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to exploring Rome. Until next time, arrivederci.